the largest residential project in the middle of Belgrade Forest in Maslak, Istanbul's downtown. Çamlı Vadi consists of 19 blocks. All of them are residential and luxurious. Other than the fact of building the project with an area of 117,000 square meters. Two important elements are essential in the project. The natural views to the forest and having the entrance directly to the main highway, E6. The construction company designed its landscape to complete the natural concept by making large green spaces. The apartment we are seeing right now is 5+1 and it is 148 meters square net. In the sample apartment, the living room is spacious and contains panoramic windows. The finishing in the kitchen is neat and exquisite. The path will lead us to the bedrooms and bathroom. Also the master bedroom, which is a bit isolated with its own bathroom and dressing room. This view needs a spacious terrace in the apartment. In these kind of luxurious projects, the services are a lot, but here the facilities are extra, where we have a school and equestrian club. Çamlı Vadi is exceptional. Contact us to feed you all the information you need. Deal Real Estate, from A to Deal.